What up, my happy people? We are back with another video. Today we are here at Willow Beach, here in Arizona. We here, I don't know what we're gonna catch today, but we're gonna be probably hoping to catch trout or striped bass. That's what I mostly see on like Fish Brain. People be catching big striped bass or big trout, you know. I haven't seen any other fish species out here, but you know, hopefully we catch something, because every time we come to Willow Beach we're always skunked. Like, please, anybody out there, show us your methods. Like we're like first time fishers, and you know what, let's get started with this vlog.
Get my pole ready. Got a big 10-foot pole right here. Okay, if I could put my pole together, that would be nice. Okay, put my pole on. Loosen up my drag. All right, I'm back to it. I was just trying to test myself to see if you guys can hear me. And it's like it's doing good. I'm gonna put on my hooks. It's getting dark already too. Water looks nice. Maven's gonna cast. Go ahead, Maven. Oh, you snagged already? Oh, cause we caught something big already.
So I hope everybody's doing good with all this fiasco going on with the COVID-19, aka coronavirus. You know, we all know the feeling, like it's boring to stay at home. You know, sometimes we gotta get out, enjoy the nature. Maybe it's meant to be to enjoy the nature and like get off our phones for once, you know. Just kidding. But what time is it? It's probably like almost 7 o'clock p.m. here. Well, we're in Arizona side, so I'm not even sure, because like Arizona is like 1 hour ahead of Nevada. So whatever we catch, well, hopefully we catch something. I hope like we don't get skunked this time, because every time we come here we always get skunked, and it's so disappointing. But sometimes we wish we can get a boat or a canoe, kayak, whatever. But you know, I'm gonna keep vlogging for you guys, keep doing everything for you guys, because without you guys we wouldn't be here, right? I appreciate everybody who's helped me grow my channel. I know I've been doing different things like fishing, reviewing restaurants, mukbangs, vlogging where I've been. You know. You know, but I just love what I do. And hopefully this channel makes it happen.
I got my booties on. I'll be walking on the water so I can go out and cast farther. So can't wait to fish for today. I feel kind of good about today, but let's see. Anything decides to bite our poles, because I know last time we came here you guys said we got skunked, and we did. But let's hope we can change those odds today. All right, I'm gonna cast my brother's pole. It's kind of dark, and I gotta switch to my lights soon. I'm gonna cast this pole. I'm gonna walk on the water. Whoa! Cut it kind of close there, but here we go.
Cast that way, yeah?
Yeah, I know. Open that up. Oh no. I'll put it inside the steak. But I'm gonna get ready to cast my pole. Got my baits right there. I'm gonna walk out and cast mine. Walk out just a little bit. Okay, let's get ready. Okay, here I go, guys. Alright, you probably can't see me because of the light, but I'm gonna be using this sucker right here. Gonna be using this. Try to see if stripers will bite this. I got a couple bites on this I like mead. Seems to work okay. I've got a bunch of other ones in here. I don't know if you can see. I don't know, I'm gonna try a bunch of stuff tonight. I don't know. I really don't know what the striper's like right here, so I'm gonna just start with this. This one's pretty cool because it lights up, makes noises. I don't know, I'm just learning as we go. My swivel might lose this though. I don't know. We'll see. We'll give it a shot. Hopefully you guys can see. I like this lure. This lure is pretty cool. It's got some weight to it. It's probably like a, I don't even know what kind of ounce lure this is. It's pretty heavy though. Cast is okay. But hopefully you guys are doing okay. I know Claudine already talked a little bit about this coronavirus stuff going on. But yeah, this stuff is crazy, man. I don't know why people are buying toilet paper and toilet tissue. I could see hand sanitizer, but not all the other stuff. When people were buying toilet paper and stuff, we were buying like food, stocking up on water, you know, whatever, juice, soda, bread. When people were buying crazy stuff, we were buying the necessary stuff. But hopefully this thing dies down soon, but it probably won't because it's already getting bad. We live in Nevada too, and Sisolak, our governor, is thinking about shutting down the state. I don't know. Even Trump is even thinking about shutting down the United States. We're gonna be like Italy. It's gonna be crazy. I'll catch up more with you guys later. I can't really cast far with this bait caster, so hopefully I catch something on my pole with anchovies. Wow, good size.
I think this is the biggest one I ever caught.
Really?
What do you think?
It's
What
the
is this, like
I have my scale. You want me?
You got scale?
Yeah, I got a scale.
Oh, man.
Let me grab my scale. It's got to be like a maybe 6 pounder. Oh my God, he got a big one, guys. I'm gonna grab my scale. I'm gonna weigh it. Let's use the old style. Yeah, this is a good size.
I want to say it's like maybe 8 or 6. Maybe 6, yeah, you're right.
Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, about 4 or 5 pounder. Yeah, about 5.
5 pounds?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, nice.
Yeah. It's a good size.
Yeah, I was like, what the hell?
Holy smokes.
I never caught bigger than that, so yeah, it's a good fight. I caught it with like I think this is a 12 pound that I just put on.
Oh, okay.
If it was 8 pound, I don't know.
Oh, you.
I got lucky.
I got 20 pound line on mine.
Yeah.
Oh. You didn't want to keep it?
Yeah, probably gonna keep that one.
Okay. I was gonna say you should keep this one. It's a good size.
Yeah, probably fillet.
If they're any bigger than this, they're no good to eat because their meat just gets no good.
What did you say, 5 pounds?
Yeah, 5 pounds, yeah. This is a good size.
Nice, man, thank you.
You're welcome.
That's my record.
Ah, dude, I'm waiting to catch. I'm waiting to catch my PB. To be honest, that's a good size, man. I want to catch one that big too. All right, good luck. What up, guys? So it's been an hour. We stopped for bait casting for a while because it was getting tiring. And yeah, so I'm just over here sitting down, eating my Wendy's strawberry lemonade and some teriyaki beef jerky, guys. This is my favorite right here. Make sure to like this video, guys. Even though we make it skunk today, it's all about appreciation, being out here in the wilderness, an adventure with your family and friends if you do bring them along, enjoying the weather.
Jeez, where's my line? Oh, right there. This is not part of it.
Your line's down there. Quick update. Another hour probably went by. I'm gonna pay attention to the time. Caught this little guy. He's out here on the creek. I'll put him back later. Oh, there's another one. With two crawdads. Oh, he's missing an arm.
What the heck, babe?
These are weird crustaceans, huh?
Yeah.
You wanna eat them?
No, I just let him go.
Oh, they're gonna fight.
Oh, fight.
Oh, fight. Like zombie, go like bang. Only you one arm, I still lick you.
That's like...
Go. Get out of here.
Alright guys, so apparently we are back home. Sadly, we did not catch anything. We got skunked again. Sad, but you know what? It happens, you know, it happens in the fishing life, fishing world. You know, it's gonna happen when you're gonna get skunked. But you know guys, comment down below what we should try at Willow Beach, because every time we go, like, we never catch anything. So help us out. Maybe we can change our lures, or you know. But anywho, I hope you guys enjoy this video. I appreciate each and one of you for watching this. But make sure to smash that like button, smash that subscribe button. Make sure to share, comment, you know, all that fiasco, and make sure you ring that bell to get more notifications of who knows what else I'm gonna be posting. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please stay safe. God bless you guys, and stay home. Let's like pass this virus, and you know we gotta work as a team, guys. All right.